Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to execute PHP custom code for login user only in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to display some code on card page and we are going to display only for login user. Logout user don't see that code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode we are using. On left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it, and we are using free version. And then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it, and then you see create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title. Then you see code per view. Now paste code. So we are going to display this code for login user only. And then in code you see we are using if condition. If is underscore user underscore log underscore in, and then you see loop close. So inside all code in this if condition display for login user only, and then scroll down you see inside method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active, and then click on save snippet, and you will find this line of code in video description or in comment section. So you can add this line of code in your custom code, and your custom code will run for login user only. Now you see if condition. Now back to code and snippet updated and activated. Now go to card page. So we are in login already. Now refresh the page. And then you see custom code display for login user. So we are in card page again, and now we don't any login. We are logout user, and refresh the page. So we are in card page already, and you don't see any custom code execute on for logout user on this card page, and custom code will run for login user only. Now you see on card page. So in custom code we added if condition is user login, and in this if condition you can add your custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.